Hello, this is polynomial lesson of standard 9 CBSE. In the first two lectures we had finished the concepts, and from today we start the exercises. Today's exercise is 2.1, and question number 1 of 2.1 exercise says which of the following expressions are polynomials in one variable and which are not. You have to give the reason for that. It comes for only 1 mark. The first question I have written over here, 4x square minus 3x plus 7. Now if you see the degree of this, the degree is 2, here the degree is 1, and 7, there is no alphabet, so you can write this in the form of x raised to 0. All the values of these degrees is a whole number. Whole number is a set of numbers, starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on till infinity. So here the index is a whole number, so it is a polynomial, and since the alphabet is only x throughout, so it is a polynomial with one variable. So how will you present this, or what is the way you will express the answer? Since the expression has only one variable and the degree of the polynomial of the expression is a whole number, the expression is a polynomial in one variable. Is that fine? Now come to the second question. Y plus 2 upon y. This can be written as y plus 2 into, when this y in the denominator goes in the numerator, laws of indices, y raised to minus 1. So you can write this expression as y plus 2y raised to minus 1. So your explanation is, since the expression has only one variable and the degree of the expression is not a whole number, the expression is not a polynomial. Third question, y square plus root 2. Now you see the degree over here of y is 2, and root 2 I can express it as y raised to 0. Now you may explain this. Since the expression has only one variable and the degree is a whole number, therefore it is a polynomial in one variable. In certain schools they simply ask if it is a polynomial. It is not a polynomial, so you don't have to give a big explanation. Now come to sum number 4. I have done certain numbering changes over there. Sum number 4, 3 root 2 plus t root 2. Now root t means 3 into t raised to half plus t into 2 raised to half. We see that the degree of the variable is not a whole number, so this is not a polynomial. So the sentence you may write it down in the same format as it was given before. Fifth sum, x raised to 10 plus y raised to 3 plus t raised to 50. Now this is a polynomial because all the indices here are whole numbers, but it's not in one variable. So though it is a polynomial, it is not having one variable. So accordingly you write the sentence, it is a polynomial but it is not a polynomial with one variable. So in sentence express it. Come to question number 2. Here they are asking you write the coefficient of x square. Coefficient is a number which is attached in front of the variable. So here they are asking to write the coefficient only of x square. So in the first question it is 2 plus x square plus x. So what is the number in front of x square? No number, so it means there is 1. So coefficient is 1. In the next sum, x square is over here and the number attached here is minus, and since number is not there, you will understand it is minus 1. Here the coefficient of x square is pi upon 2, and here the coefficient is root 2. Come to the third question. Give one example each of a binomial with degree 35 and a monomial with degree 100. Now, binomial with a degree 35. First of all, binomial means an expression or a polynomial having two terms. So you may take any two terms, but see that one of the variable has the degree 35. Suppose I say 4x plus x raised to 35. Finish. You can write your own expression also. Two terms should be there. Now here they want a monomial with a degree 100. So you may write simply x raised to 100 or whatever you like. It's a easy question.